Hi everyone, this is Shanaya. So today I'm going to talk about how we clean the camper van. So it's usually difficult when you have like the accessories on top of the van, it increases the height. So Nitin got the solution and a foam washer which I'm going to show you in a moment. He just cleaned our camper van and he's going to wash the car as well. So I'll go and quickly show you what we are talking about. Nathan got this foam cannon and he's using regular vehicle wash with wax, and let me show you how this works. We have this pressure wash.
There is a nozzle here through which you can actually change it to back to water, normal water. So you can do this, then you just
So he switched from the wash to regular water.